How to choose the right car for your lifestyle. Buying a car is a big decision, not just because of how much a car costs, but also because of how important it is in your daily life. This will be your daily companion for years to come, so you want to make the right purchase to avoid any regrets down the line. Here are a few considerations to keep in mind when looking for a new daily driver. 1. Family size. If your family is growing, you'll want to consider a spacious SUV or a minivan to accommodate everyone comfortably. Think of it as your family's mobile living room, where snacks and stories flow freely, and everyone has room to stretch out. No more, "Are we there yet?" squished in the back. 2. Budget. Before you start dreaming of that shiny sports car, let's talk dollars and cents. Determine your budget by considering both the upfront cost and ongoing expenses like fuel, insurance, and maintenance. Just because it has a sleek design doesn't mean it fits your wallet. A little planning now can save you a lot later. 3. Driving habits. Are you a city dweller navigating through traffic or a road trip enthusiast hitting the open highways? Your driving habits should heavily influence your choice. Compact cars are fantastic for tight parking spots and zipping around urban areas, while larger vehicles might be more suited for long drives and weekend getaways. In summary, buying a car is not just a financial decision. It's about finding a vehicle that fits your lifestyle. By considering your family's size, budget, and driving habits, you can ensure that your new car will be a joy to drive for years to come.